industrial engineering is all about like problem solving in any type of industry. So my main goal to going for this course was I wanted to pursue something in supply chain industry like 3PLs and logistics environment. But basically, you actually focus on all processes. You do optimizations. You actually make things simpler for people. There is like time studies involved. You do cost reductions in facilities. It's actually mix of technical acumen, engineering skills, and like business knowledge also. So that's a really good blend to have in you when you get into industry. You can either do 31 or 30 credits. So if you do 30 credits, each course is like 3 credits, 10 courses, out of which 4 are mandatory. Mandatory courses are like 30 or 35 student capacity. They are all compulsory for all the students. So all the graduate students, I would say. So mostly they were readily available because no other like undergraduate or PhD students didn't took that courses because it was just mandatory for graduates. I took one course from mechanical department, and you can also do courses from CMU, which is a neighboring university. But that's like special permissions, and you have to talk to your advisor. Well, it's like an extra fee, but you can do that. The procedure would be like talk to your advisor and ask him what's the procedure. If the credentials are good and if the student is really interested, after first semester you can do it. It's just the permission of your graduate advisor. One was manufacturing, one was supply chain, and one was operations research. So these were 3 which everyone was doing. I took a senior, like a design engineering project, engineering course, which was with the. It was a mixture of all the engineering studies coming together and do a project. So I was in a group of 5 people, which was like I was an industrial engineer, other was chemical engineer, a computer engineer, a mechanical, and a civil engineer. So we had one group and we did a project. I was very keen to work with other people, like not sticking to Indian groups because their work style is way different than what we do. Like we depend on last minute entries and all. They don't do that. They actually plan it well. They have a different thinking style and all that. So I really loved doing that when I was actually doing those courses. I would advise like Americans actually use one website which is called checked.com. It's spelled as CHEGG.com. You can get you get all the textbook answers in it. It's really helpful while preparing the exams and all. It's a $14 to $20 subscription, but like you can make a group and buy that subscription per month. It would not cost that much, but it's very helpful when you study for your exams and all. So definitely recommend that. And I would say, yeah, if any questions, just don't hesitate to ask your professors. They are very helpful. I would recommend that students do that green belt certificate if you're doing industrial engineering. It's a great value to your profile. It's basically getting the Six Sigma tools and lean manufacturing, lean methods, and how to implement those in your work environment. So it's a good certification. I would recommend that. Apart from that, if you're really intended towards data science and like operation research, I would recommend R programming.